In the middle of the vast ocean, dozens of warships from different nations sail together, moving in a precise and majestic formation. This is not just another routine drill. This is a symbol of international military unity, a rare display of naval power on such a massive scale. For the very first time, multinational warships sail side by side, showcasing strength, technology, and solidarity across the Pacific Ocean. This is RIMPAC 2024, the Rim of the Pacific exercise. Known as the world's largest naval drill, Rhode Island RIMPAC takes place every 2 years, led by the United States and centered around Hawaii. What began in 1971 as a relatively small gathering of navies has grown into an enormous operation, involving dozens of nations from across the globe. From Asia come Japan, South Korea, India, Singapore, and the Philippines. From Europe, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, and Italy send their fleets. From the Pacific, Australia and New Zealand play key roles. Even nations from Latin America, such as Chile and Colombia, deploy their ships to take part. Together, they form a single massive armada, consisting of destroyers, frigates, submarines, aircraft, and support vessels, all moving as one. What we are witnessing is not simply a parade of firepower, it is a test of interoperability. A Japanese destroyer must be able to exchange radar and targeting data with a Canadian frigate. An American submarine may rely on the cover provided by an Australian patrol vessel. Different communication systems, different weapons, different doctrines, all must be synchronized seamlessly in real time. That is the true purpose of RIMPAC, to prove that dozens of nations can operate together as a single, unified naval force. But beyond the tactical level, this gathering carries a powerful political message. Dozens of warships sailing side by side send a clear signal to the world. Security in the Pacific Ocean is a shared responsibility. Peace and stability cannot be guaranteed by one country alone. It requires the cooperation and commitment of many. From above, the sight is breathtaking. Warships stretch across the horizon, their hulls cutting through the waves in perfect alignment. Massive destroyers equipped with missile defense systems, sleek frigates designed for anti-submarine warfare, amphibious assault ships, and resupply vessels, all moving together with precision. The sound of engines and the crash of waves create a rhythm of steel and water, a reminder of the immense power concentrated in this single formation. Sailing in such close quarters is no easy task. Every ship must maintain its position with incredible accuracy. Every maneuver must be calculated to the smallest detail. A single mistake could put thousands of lives and millions of dollars of equipment at risk. It is here that the professionalism of the sailors becomes clear. Men and women from different nations, different backgrounds, working together as one. RIMPAC is not only about preparing for war. Many of the exercises focus on humanitarian operations, disaster relief, and search and rescue missions. The Pacific Ocean is the busiest shipping route in the world, carrying nearly half of global trade every day. A major disaster or conflict here would affect the entire planet. That is why an international naval force that can respond quickly and effectively is so crucial. The Pacific is more than a vast body of water. It is a stage for global competition. Territorial disputes, contested islands, and geopolitical rivalries have made this region a hotspot for tension. By bringing together such a diverse coalition, Rhode Island RIMPAC sends a powerful message. Peace in this region depends on cooperation, not confrontation. Technology is also evolving rapidly. At RIMPAC 2024, we see the testing of new systems, unmanned aerial drones, autonomous surface ships, advanced cyber defense tools, and precision-guided weapons. Navies use this opportunity not only to strengthen their bonds, but also to prepare for the challenges of the future. Young sailors and officers are trained side by side, sharing tactics, learning from one another, and building trust that may one day save lives in real-world operations. Still, the most unforgettable moment is when all the ships sail together in formation. From the sky, it looks like an endless wall of steel cutting through the blue waters. From the sea, you can see the flags of different nations flying proudly, side by side, as if declaring to the world, we may come from different lands, speak different languages, and serve under different banners, but at sea, we are united. This is more than a military exercise. It is a reminder that peace is not something we can take for granted. Peace must be protected, defended, and maintained. And one of the strongest ways to protect it is by showing unity, readiness, and collective strength. For the first time, we witnessed dozens of multinational warships sailing together, marking a new chapter in the Pacific Ocean. A symbol of solidarity, a demonstration of power, and a promise that in an uncertain world, cooperation remains the key to security.